Hello everyone. I will try to help you to guide you through this assignment so you can do it successfully. The first thing is if you go to the instructions in the classroom, you see that you have to click on this first link, BA Gov Index HTM, and the only purpose is so you can find the change from 2013, 2014, 2015. Doesn't matter. I will show you the way to do it. So click on that link, and that leads you to this website that is the Bureau of Economic Analysis. You have to solve several issues: GDP, GNP, etc., etc. I will solve only one, that is the GDP. So click on the link GDP, leads you to the next website, and you have many ways to do it. I will try to show you two, but there are many others, and probably there are better ways to do it. But okay, let's do it this way. Click on interactive tables for GDP, and there are many that come after this link. Click on begin using data in the next screen, and this leads you to this screen, and you have two ways here. One is the one that I'm going to show you now, that is click on section 1, domestic product and income, and then there's a second way that I will show you in a couple of minutes, that is clicking a little bit above. You can see advanced download section. I will show you also that one later on, but let's click first on section 1. This brings you here, and here practically you have everything you need, because related to GDP, because here in the table 115 you have the gross domestic product, that this is what you need. But also, if you want to see the change, you can just click on the very first one, percent change from preceding period. So you have both ways. I will show you the second one, the table 115. When you click, you go to this screen, and you see that it has only 2014 and 15. That should be enough, so you don't need to do anything else. But if you want to go to previous years, you can click on modify, and on the next screen you can change from quarterly to annual, and then go to a previous years like 2010, or you can go at the bottom. You see you have select all years. Click on refresh table, and you go to this screen, and this is all you need. You see here that in the very first line you have the GDP, the gross domestic product of the 2015 and 14. I guess the assignment as 2013. Doesn't matter, just use anyone you want, but the idea is that you can get what was the change, and based on this you can do your assignment. So you have the math, what you need to do, and you see that the change was 3.7. That's all you need. So a second way to do it is, remember that in a previous screen you told me that there was a second way. Okay, go to advanced download section. It's another way. And the benefit is that you can download in your computer the entire database, and once you are in the computer, everything is much easier. If you want, it can be more complicated. It's up to you how much familiar you are with Excel. Click on section 1. Technically you should download all of the databases. It depends on what you need. For this GDP, the section 1 is enough. You download this Excel, and you see that you have exactly the same tables as I showed you before. That is the table 111, that is the percent change, and underneath you have the table 115, that is the gross domestic product. Oh, I put the arrow in the wrong place. The arrow should be in the 115. I'm sorry, that is a little bit underneath. When you see that at the left of table 115 you have a number that is 10105. That number is what you have here underneath. You see all these items here that are all the different worksheets. You need to find your worksheet, and to find it you need to eventually click here on this arrow at the right, so you can move all the worksheets to the right until you find the 10105. That is the one you need. Once you do it, you come to this worksheet that is exactly the same as you had before. There you have the two indexes here, as you see, of the 2014 and 15, and I think the assignment requests 2013 to 2012. I don't remember, but it doesn't matter. Choose anyone, the one you feel more familiar. I think probably 2015 is better because it's closer to your memory, so that can simplify your assignment. This is it. You see that